Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the details of the products you care about. Today, we're looking at the Chefman Obliterator 48-aughts Countertop Blender, a powerful appliance designed to handle everything from smoothies to crushed ice, with a 1380-watt motor that promises to obliterate your blending tasks. It's got a sleek, modern design and a range of functions that seem almost too good to be true. Let's take a closer look and see if it lives up to the hype. The Chefman Obliterator Blender comes with a 48-ounce Tritan blending jar, which is known for being both shatter-resistant and large enough to make multiple servings. That's one of the key features here. It's built to handle the volume, so whether you're making smoothies for the whole family or preparing ice-cold drinks for a party, it's got the capacity. The jar is also designed to tackle a wide range of ingredients. From ice to nuts to frozen fruit, this blender doesn't shy away from the heavy-duty stuff. But it's not just about power. The real standout feature is its 1380-watt motor, which makes light work of ice and frozen ingredients while keeping noise levels surprisingly low. That's something you don't see often in blenders with such high wattage. The motor's airflow system ensures smooth and efficient blending. And the best part? It stays quiet. One feature I found particularly interesting is the auto blend function. This takes the guesswork out of blending by automatically adjusting the settings based on the ingredients you've added. This means you get the perfect texture every time, whether you're making a silky smooth shake or a thicker, more textured smoothie. With 5 different speeds and a pulse option, the dial control panel offers a good amount of manual control as well, if you're someone who likes to tweak things. In terms of usage, I found the Chefman Obliterator to be incredibly straightforward. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to adjust settings, and the auto blend feature is honestly a game changer for busy mornings. I've put it through its paces with everything from simple smoothies to more challenging blends like frozen fruit and nuts. It really does handle it all without breaking a sweat. The blender even comes with a tamper and scraper tool, which is a nice touch, especially when dealing with thick mixtures or stubborn ingredients that need a little extra help. But it's not all perfect. One thing I noticed is that while the auto blend function is very helpful, it doesn't always handle complex blends perfectly. Sometimes, especially with harder ingredients like nuts, it takes a bit more manual intervention to get everything fully blended. Also, the large capacity jar means that if you're blending smaller amounts, it can be a little awkward, especially when trying to blend single servings. But this is a minor inconvenience, considering the power and performance of the blender overall. Now, the cleanup process is something worth mentioning. If you've used high-powered blenders before, you know that cleanup can be a pain. Fortunately, Chefman makes it easy with 2 cleaning options. You can run the Clean preset, which just requires a bit of soap and water, or you can toss the accessories straight into the dishwasher. I appreciate that the blunt blade design also makes it safer to handle while cleaning, which can be a concern with some of the sharper, more aggressive blades on other blenders. When it comes to design, this blender is a standout. It won the 2024 Red Dot Design Award, and it's easy to see why. The matte black finish looks elegant and fits in well with almost any kitchen decor. It's a blender that feels as much like a piece of art as it does a functional kitchen appliance. If you're looking for a blender that blends seamlessly into your kitchen's aesthetic without compromising on performance, this one certainly fits the bill. Now let's talk value. The Chefman Obliterator Blender isn't the cheapest option on the market, but when you compare it to other high-powered blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec, it definitely holds its own. For the price, you're getting a 1380-watt motor, a large 48-aughts Tritan jar, and the auto blend feature, all of which would cost you significantly more in competing products. Additionally, the 5-year warranty is something I'd consider a huge plus. In terms of value, this is a solid offering if you're looking for a high-performance blender that won't break the bank compared to some of the premium brands. When it comes to alternatives, there are a few competitors you might want to consider. The Vitamix 5200 is a similar high-end option with comparable performance, but it's also notably more expensive. On the other end of the spectrum, blenders like the Ninja Professional offer similar features at a lower price point, but they don't quite match up to the Chefman in terms of motor power or the auto blend functionality. Ultimately, it comes down to how much you're willing to spend and whether you value the extra features the Chefman brings to the table. In terms of build quality, the Chefman Obliterator feels solid and durable. The Tritan jar is a nice touch, as it's known for being shatter resistant, which is a huge benefit in a blender. It's also built to handle hot liquids, which is something you don't see in all blenders. While I haven't had the blender for long enough to comment on its long-term reliability, Chefman's reputation for durable, high-quality products suggests it will last. If customer support is a concern for you, Chefman is known for responsive service. They back their products with a 5-year warranty, which is great peace of mind if you encounter any issues down the line. In conclusion, the Chefman Obliterator 48-aughts Countertop Blender is a powerful, versatile blender that offers great value for its price. With its impressive motor, sleek design, and innovative auto blend feature, it stands out in the crowded blender market. While it's not perfect and might require some manual adjustments for more complex blends, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants a high-performance blender without the premium price tag of some of its competitors. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or someone who needs a reliable blender for a variety of kitchen tasks, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts on the Chefman Obliterator, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. Until next time, keep blending and keep living your best life with Reviews Inside TV.